At a time when there is strong opposition to reduce the marriage age, the government has proposed a law allowing marriage at 16. Under current law, marriages before 20 are annulled. However, the Ministry of Law is working to remove the provision through the Criminal Code Amendment Bill, allowing marriages under the age of 20 to be legalized with a fine. The draft bill states that marriages under 16 will be automatically nullified, while marriages between 16 and 18 years would be legalized with a fine or 1 year in prison.
मातृ मृत्यु दर घटेकै छैन, शिशु मृत्यु दर घटेकै छैन, बालबालिकामा चाहिँ कुपोषणको दर एकदमै डरलाग्दो अवस्था छ। त्यो भनेकै कम उमेरमा विवाह गर्ने, कम उमेरमा विवाह गर्दाखेरि कम उमेरमा चाहिँ कम उमेरका आमाबाट जन्मेका बच्चा-बच्चीहरुमा कुपोषण पनि छ। त्यही चाहिँ बच्चा-बच्ची जन्माउने क्रममा नसकेर चाहिँ आमाहरु पनि मरिरहेका छन्। ती चाहिँ आमाबाट जन्मेका चाहिँ बच्चा नवजात शिशुहरु पनि चाहिँ मृत्यु भइरहेका छ।
The draft of the bill includes a provision stating that if individuals above 16 years of age marry with mutual consent, the investigating officer can release them after obtaining a written agreement that they will live separately until they reach the age of 20. However, it is not clearly defined who will monitor whether they live separately or not. Stakeholders claim that this will encourage marriage among those above 16 and create more problems in society.
स्वास्थ्यको पनि समस्या, पढाइमा पनि ब्रेक भयो र फेरि त्यो बच्चाकोलाई पनि उसले चाहिँ दिने एजुकेसन दिने कुराहरुदेखि लिएर भोलिआउने पोषणका कुराहरुदेखि त्यसमा पनि कम हुँदै गयो र श्रीमानबाट पनि उसको चाहिँ प्रेमहरु चाहिँ घट्दै गयो र फेरि घरेलु हिंसामा चाहिँ परिणत हुने कुराहरु भयो र आर्थिक रूपले पनि क्राइसिस हुँदै जाने भयो र उसको लाइफ सपोर्ट हुने भयो के भने 20 वर्ष भन्दा बरु माथि नै लिनु पर्छ। हामीले अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय कानुनहरु हेर्यौं भने हामीले छिमेकी देशको मात्र हेर्ने हैन, अरु देशका पनि हेरौं न हामीले। उमेर त बढाउँदै राम्रो छ नि त, भनेपछि अहिले घटाउनु भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ राम्रो होइन।
The proposed law also suggests reduced punishment for consensual marriages between 16 to 18-year-olds with a fine of up to 10,000 Nepali rupees, replacing the current automatic annulment system. Child marriage continues under existing laws, and stakeholders warn that easing restrictions could worsen the situation, negatively affecting women's health, well-being, and financial stability.
यो उमेर घटाउने कुरा यो कसको रिसर्च हो, यो कहाँबाट आयो, यसको तथ्याङ्क के हो, यो मनमा जे आयो त्यही गर्न पाउँछ। जसले कानुन संशोधन गरेर ल्याउँछ तिनले आफ्नो छोरीलाई कति वर्षमा बिहे गर्छन्।
The Ministry of Law argues that the parliamentary committee had suggested reducing the age, and the task force formed by the government also suggested that keeping only fines instead of imprisonment and arranging for separate living until the age is reached would be appropriate, and the draft was prepared based on this. There is a provision to annul the marriage within 35 days of reaching 20 years of age if desired.
यो आम जनताको सरकारको विषय भएको र आम जनताले पनि यो गर्नुपर्छ भनेकोले सांसदहरूले पनि समितिले अध्ययन गरेर भनेको र यो एटर्नी जनरलको अध्यक्षता लगायतका सर्वोच्चको विभिन्न निर्णयहरू हेरेर निर्णयहरू हुन्छन्, त्यो त नजिरै बन्छन् सर्वोच्च अदालतको निर्णयहरू। ती सारा अध्ययन गरेर सर्वोच्चले सिफारिस गरेको आधारमा चाहिँ हामीले यो सुधार गर्दै छौं। कुनै विषयमा कुनैले सिफारिस गरेको छ, कुनै विषयमा कुनैले सिफारिस गरेको छ, अनि अब जनताको सरकारको विषय भएकोले र जनताबाट यो माग आइरहेकोले हामीले यो वेबसाइटमा राखेका छौं।
Under the existing law, not only the marriage is nullified, but children born from such unions also remain unregistered. Although child marriage has not been fully eradicated, the government's proposal to make marriages legal after the age of 16 with a fine could lead to an increase in child marriages. According to the Women's Commission, over 50% of women in Sudur Paschim and Madhya provinces are married before the age of 18. The new provision could further affect women's rights to education and health, with concerns that it puts their future at risk.